Hey everybody, it's Brother Nick, Austin, Texas. Got hit by an ice storm. Got ice everywhere. I gotta be careful where I walk. Oh yeah, it's crunchy. Got ice. Garden's all frozen over. Ice on the power lines. Ice on all the trees. Oh man, we got nailed with it. It's 30 degrees, February 3rd, 2022. Backyard is frozen, the wind is blowing. I don't see any branches down. See ice on everything though. Everything's covered with ice. Crackling in the wind. Just want to give you an update what's going on, Austin, Texas. Everybody north and east of Texas, storm's heading your way. Prepare, get food, water, generators if you have them. High today is going to be 20 degrees with wind, so lets you know how it's going to be. 2 days of this. They close the whole city down when it gets like this. Big old puddles of ice everywhere. Oh man, yeah, frozen. Poor grass is frozen. Well, it's winter time for you. Just wanted to give you a heads up. Weather, what's going on here? Cloudy all day. Cold, wet, ice. Good day to stay home. Make some soup. All right, God bless y'all. We love you. From Austin, Texas, Brother Nick in frozen Austin. Oh my. God bless you, man. Peace. Gotta get inside. It's cold.